Seattle Naturals. It's Drini Payne. I'm going to show you how I blow dry my hair with the Conair Infiniti Pro. As you see, I've done one side of my hair. This is the other side that I need to do. So I'm going to try to show you as quick as possible. I do it in 3 sections. So first, my hair is washed. I detangled for the most part in the shower. And I apply a leave-in conditioner, and then I detangle it a little more so that the blow dryer doesn't get caught on my hair as I'm trying to blow it out. So I use BO5 clarifying vanilla mint tea conditioner as a leave-in. It's a clarifying conditioner, so it's a lot lighter, doesn't leave, you know, heavy residue on your hair. I usually add a little bit of oil, like a little castor oil to it. So that's what I'm using. I also found this brush. It looks like the Tangle Teaser. Found it at the Dallas Store, $1 at Dollar Tree, the one in Kent. It detangles really well. It's kind of loud, but it's not harsh. It doesn't feel harsh on my hair. The only thing is the shape of it, and I have little hands, so that combined with having product all over your hands, it can be a little bit tricky. But I like it a lot, actually. So yeah. So anyway, get that all detangled, and then I'm gonna just blow it out. Feel free to skip through. It's gonna take me a few minutes, and there's no music. All right, there you go. It's relatively straight. I'm basically just going to end up twisting my hair so I'm not, that extra concerned. It's very full, feels very smooth. I'm just going to apply a little bit of oil. This is olive oil and castor oil with a little bit of lemongrass for scent because I like smelling like a lemon. um, so I just run that through a little bit, get those ends, and then just twist up that section, and then I move on to the next section until I'm done. So I don't usually blow dry my hair straight from washing it. I usually wear it in, like a protective style, like 2 braids or something for a couple days. So it's usually uh, more dry than wet when I blow dry it. So especially with that, it rarely takes me that long to do a section because my hair is usually not as wet as I'm doing it today. But anyway, I love this dryer. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend it. And if you do, let me know how you like it. All right, bye.